Guys, how all are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. In this video I am going to give you 5 amazing tips for improving your communication in English language. So let's start the video. So my first tip is listening. You have to listen in English. But here you will say I can't understand. I am not saying you have to understand. I am saying you have to listen. What can you listen? You can listen podcast, you can listen song, you can watch movie, whatever you like. Just you have to listen in English language. And my second tip is reading. Guys, you have to read at least 20 minutes on daily basis. What can you read? You can read newspaper, you can read a stories book, you can read self-help book, you can read is your academic book, whatever you like, but you have to read in English language at least 20 minutes daily basis. My third tip is learning. This tip is especially for beginner. If you are a beginner in English language and you don't know how to make sentence, so here I will say you have to learn some grammar topic. For example, you can learn tenses, modals, some conjunction, preposition. It will help you for improving your sentence formation skill so that you can make correct sentence while speaking English. And my fourth tip is speaking. Yes, guys, you have to speak. But here you will say, when I will speak in front of people, while people will think about you. Yeah, definitely, guys, people will laugh at you when you will try to speak in front of people. But don't worry about those people who are laughing at you. You have to speak. Just open your mouth and try to speak in English language. You are making mistake, it's okay, because even I make mistake when I try to speak in English, but it's okay because everybody makes mistake when they try to speak in English. But you have to speak because speaking comes by speaking. And my fifth tip is writing. Yes, guys, you have to write. What can you write? You can write about your daily routine. You can write about what did you do today. Whatever sentence going on in your mind, just you have to write at least one page on daily basis. Really, it will help you improving your sentence formation skill. And my last tip, to be consistent, guys. Without consistent, you can't do anything in your life. Even you can't achieve anything in your life. So you have to be consistent towards your goals so that you can improve your communication in English language. And I hope this video will inspire you and this video will give you some tips about spoken English. And I hope you will like this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget the press bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. And here at the end of video I would say, don't give up, guys. We are human being and we can learn easily. It's just a language. I can do, you can do also. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.